Our proudest moment as Kenya, which has come to define our country in the digital technology space, is mobile money. And Mokhtar Diop has referred to it shortly, which first emerged in our country as Mpesa. When Safaricom launched the service 17 years ago, the country's banking sector was up in arms, pointing out that Safaricom had set out to conduct banking business without either obtaining a banking license or undergoing the rigors of banking regulation. For its part, the public eagerly embraced the liberating efficiency of mobile phone-based cash transfer. Many types of businesses quickly saw the benefit of cashless transaction and persuaded banks to enable them conduct their banking over the phone. After rigorous debate, Kenya opted to face the future with courage, and M-Pesa became the legendary driver of trade and commerce that it has become, transacting $1.2 billion every day, serving over 5 million enterprises, 61 million customers across 8 countries and counting. In Kenya, we understand that the soul of innovation is the constant endeavor to meet public demand by providing solutions to problems, efficiently delivering effective services, and transforming challenges into productive opportunities.